Time, a squirrel decided to read a fairy tale. But one day came a strong wind and blew all the letters off the pages. Now the squirrel can't read the story. The squirrel decided to save all the letters and bring them back to the book. Help the squirrel save the letters. The letter A went apple picking. Help the cool. Keep it up. A, apple. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Good job! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Good! Put the letter in its place. Thanks! Clean the word. A, apple. Take a nut for the squirrel. Choose a vehicle for the squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel to move forward. Reached our destination. Take a nut for the squirrel. Help the letter T get down from the tree. Throw the handle. Got it! T, tree. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Beautiful! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Good! Put the letter in its place. Thanks! Clean the word. T, tree. You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Choose a vehicle for the squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the... Take a nut for the squirrel. Letter I got accidentally trapped at night. We need to light up the lawn to find the key. Drag the insects into the lantern. You're doing great. I, insect. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel, like this. The letter got crumpled. Keep it up. Put the letter in its place. Without your help, we couldn't have done it. Clean the word. I, insect. Take a nut for the squirrel. Help the squirrel with cooking. It's a pepper. Drag the ingredients to chop them. Done! Beautiful! P, pepper. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Done! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Good! Put the letter in its place. Hooray! The danger is over. Clean the word. P, pepper. You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Let's help the letter catch the nuts. Tap on the stone to make the letter run onto it. Catch a nut in a basket before it falls. 3, 2, 1. Begin! Good job! N, nut. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Good! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Keep it up. Put the letter in its place. Thanks. Clean the word. N, nut. Take a nut for the squirrel. Choose a vehicle for the squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel to move forward. our destination. Take a nut for the squirrel. Letter S got into space. Help it get to Earth on a rocket. Help the rocket get to the letter S. Guide the rocket through the maze. You're doing great. Hooray! Letter S returned to the Earth safe and sound. S space. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Good job! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Ready? Put the letter in its place. Thanks! Clean the word. S space. You've earned a nut for the squirrel. Let's help the letter jump as high as possible. Tap on the button with the same letter. T. T. The letter managed to reach it. Tap on the button with the same letter. N. The letter managed to reach it. Tap on the button. P. Hooray! Tap on the button. S. Hooray! Tap on the button with A. The letter managed to reach it. Take a nut for the squirrel. Letter C found itself on the other side of the abyss. Make a path from clouds so that the letter could run over to the backpack. Drag the clouds to make a road. Good job! C. Cloud. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Beautiful! The letter got crumpled. Smooth like this. Put the letter in its place. The danger is over. Clean the word. C. Cloud. Take a nut for the squirrel. Choose a vehicle for the squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel to... Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel to move forward. Hooray, we've reached our destination. Take a nut for the squirrel. Letter K got stuck in a chest. Find the right key. Beautiful. K, key. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Done! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Ready? Put the letter in its place. Now I'm safe. Clean the word. K, key. Take a nut for the squirrel. Letter E got into a chicken coop. Help the letter E collect eggs. Drag the eggs to the basket. Tap on a chicken to pet it. Keep it up. E, egg. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Cool! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Good! Put the letter in its place. Great! Clean the word. E, egg. You've earned a nut for the squirrel.